Hi guys, definitely Meru here. Today we want to make one more step into our hunting block. So now the hunt is ever for 100%. We could not do anything about it. So we never will go into the rooming and interaction block. So let's short work on that. For that we go to our AI-based enemy. Here we check for the hunt, and we did it. Where we did it? When we did it? Here we did it. And this is what we did. We only asked him if check sanity. If sanity is less than 30%, we want to hunt. That is not a good behavior. So what we want to do instead is here we want to we want here a variable, and we call that sanity team. We make it a float, and we go to the event graph. Here we make the looping. We want sanity. Get sanity. Set sanity. And get sanity. Oh, sure, we not get the sanity out of it, so that's the reason why we make this. Get sanity, a return node, and we want our sanity. Here it is. Get it and bring it here. And now we want get sanity. We don't want this anymore and this anymore. We bring this into here. So here we only want to add our sanity. That's this. Plus 1 sanity. And bring it here. That's what we want to do here. So we bring the sanity of the whole team together. And here now, after the loop is complete, we want to get the sanity and divide it by the length of the player. So we want normalize sanity over the team. So we have 30, 80, and 70. We want to combine for our hunt. So perfect. So what we do next? We need a random float. Random. Okay. Short moment. First of all, we want to now subtract our change to hunt is 100 person change to hunt, and we want to minus that, minus the sanity of the whole team. So maybe the sanity at the beginning is 100 minus 100, we have 0% chance to hunt. If the team sanity is on 30, we have 70% chance to hunt, and so on. Then we need a random float in range, and the range is 0 to 100. And now we need what we need is greater than equals that's all right. So whatever he dies here, so maybe 50, make be greater than, and the beginning it's 0, so it 50 should be less than, not greater than. Less equal, yeah. So if 50 is less than a chance of 60, change. So all numbers between 0 and 60 will make a hunt. Yeah. If it's 20%. So let us make it quick. If we have a 20% change here, the only numbers which trigger a hunt is the number 0 to 20. That's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, less than is right. All numbers higher than 20 will not trigger a hunt. Yeah, that is the right logic behind it, I think. So, and then this is true. We want to get all of that here and bring it here. True goes there and false goes there. But what we not have at the moment is a timer. So let us bring here another set timer by event. So now let us make the event for that. Custom event that goes there. And I want to bring on Unity. So, and we can delete this. Yeah, now I get it a little bit nicer. Let us reroll this to here. And this to here. And we want to make it every 5 seconds and looping. So now he will make, okay, for the sake of this video, we want to make it all 0.2 seconds because otherwise it would take much time. So we need our behavior tree so you can see that. And starts again. So hunting is false. False, 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 false. Goes not on to Y. Okay, shut moment, please. So now we got it. What I change, it's a little bit. We have to set sanity team here to 0 before we calculate it. Otherwise, it will add up until eternity. So, and now if we start, you will see here true, false, true, false, true, false. It make it so quickly because we and I bring it here to event on possess, not on event tick, because it will add up more and more and more set time by event. So here now we make a reasonable time of 5 seconds and we are done. Now I think I couldn't show it really good because we have to wait now 5 seconds, then he will calculate. Maybe we have luck and he will calculate now to true after 5 seconds. The sanity of the player is now 60. So it will not be... yeah, here now he make in hand. We can adjust that, but we have not to. Now it falls again. You see he need long time to go on the hunt. Yeah, we did it. Now we really can go on this block because we have the ability to start and stop your hunt with a decent method. Bye. See ya.